Feeling overwhelmed? Your space might be the culprit. Have you ever felt your shoulders tense just looking at a messy room? Clutter is more than just untidiness. It impacts our minds and well-being. Piles of paper, overflowing drawers, and forgotten items create visual chaos. This chaos often translates into mental clutter. We feel stressed, overwhelmed, and unable to focus. Our homes should be our sanctuaries. They should be places of peace and rejuvenation. When we declutter, we create space for what truly matters: peace of mind and joy. Imagine coming home to a tidy space where everything has its place. This sense of order can significantly reduce stress and improve our overall well-being. Our physical environment directly impacts our mental state. By decluttering our homes, we take a significant step towards decluttering our minds. It's about creating a harmonious living space that promotes peace, focus, and happiness. Join me as we delve deeper into the transformative power of decluttering. Clarity awaits: the beautiful benefits of decluttering. Decluttering offers a myriad of benefits, both emotional and practical. Imagine waking up in a tidy room, bathed in natural light. The simple act of putting things away can significantly reduce stress. A clutter-free environment promotes relaxation, allowing us to unwind and recharge after a long day. Beyond reducing stress, decluttering also boosts focus and productivity. When our surroundings are organized, our minds are free from distractions. We can concentrate on tasks more easily and accomplish more in less time. This increased efficiency can lead to a greater sense of accomplishment and control over our lives. Decluttering also offers practical advantages. It reduces cleaning time, helps us find things more easily, and frees up valuable space. Imagine effortlessly finding your keys or that important document. A well-organized home simplifies daily life, making it easier to navigate and enjoy. Ultimately, decluttering is about creating a home that sparks joy. It's about surrounding ourselves with things we love and that add value to our lives. This process allows us to let go of the past, embrace the present, and welcome a brighter future. Ready, set, declutter. Your step-by-step guide to a serene space. Embarking on a decluttering journey can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Start small and focus on one area at a time. Begin with a drawer, a shelf, or a corner of a room. This allows you to experience manageable successes and build momentum. The key to effective decluttering is asking yourself a simple question: does this spark joy? Hold each item in your hands and pay attention to how it makes you feel. If it sparks joy, keep it. If not, thank the item for its service and let it go. Once you've identified the items that spark joy, it's time to find them a designated space. Every item should have a home, a place where it belongs. This makes it easier to put things away and maintain order in the long run. Remember, a tidy home is not about perfection, but about creating a space that feels good to be in. Don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. Enlist a friend, family member, or professional organizer for support and encouragement. Decluttering can be a transformative experience, and sharing the journey with others can make it even more rewarding. Sorting through sentiments, dealing with emotionally charged items. Decluttering isn't just about discarding physical objects. It often involves confronting sentimental attachments. We may hold on to items out of guilt, obligation, or fear of forgetting the past. Remember, our memories and feelings are not tied to physical possessions. When decluttering sentimental items, it's essential to approach the process with empathy and mindfulness. Take your time and allow yourself to feel the emotions that arise. If an item no longer sparks joy but holds sentimental value, consider taking a photo before letting it go. Sometimes, the best way to honor sentimental items is to share them with others who might appreciate them more. Donate them to charities, or gift them to loved ones who would cherish them. Remember, letting go of an item doesn't diminish its significance in your life. By releasing items that no longer serve us, we create space for new experiences and memories. Decluttering allows us to live in the present moment and embrace the future with open arms. It's about cherishing the memories, not the things themselves.